Other news we're following here, new at 4 o'clock, the former CEO of ComEd has just taken the stand in her defense at the ComEd 4 bribery trial. Anne Pramaggiore was expected to testify earlier today.
Instead, her attorney spent the day questioning her replacement. WGN's Andrea Medina live at the Dirksen Federal Building with more.
Hi guys, there was a strong indication from her attorney that she would testify today, and she finally has. Now, before I stepped out of the courtroom, she was going over her background, and what was really interesting, she mentioned that her first job in Chicago was as a clerk in this very building, but much of today's testimony came from witness Joe Dominguez. The ongoing ComEd bribery trial continued on Thursday. 4 co-defendants are accused of paying associates of former House Speaker Mike Madigan $1.3 million for no-show jobs, all in an effort to get his backing. They have all pleaded not guilty. In 2020, ComEd admitted to the bribery scheme and paid a $200 million fine. The defendants' lawyers argue their actions were normal, legal, legislative lobbying. Joe Dominguez was the first witness called today by the defense. Dominguez is a CEO of Constellation Energy who replaced Anne Pramaggiore as CEO of ComEd in 2018. Pramaggiori's attorney was the first up. He asked Dominguez if in the 3 years he spent trying to get FEJA, an energy legislation, passed, did he see anything that made him think ComEd was bribing Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan. He said no. When further asked if he had noticed any crime being committed, he also responded saying no. During questioning, Mike McLean's attorney, Patrick Cotter, asked about his client's value to ComEd, including his relationship with Illinois House Speaker Michael Madigan. Dominguez says he was one of the best lobbyists I've ever seen. During cross-examination, the assistant U.S. attorney asked Dominguez if it was fair to say a million things were going on between 2011 and 2019. He said yes. When further asked if he has since learned about some of the things that were going on at ComEd during that time frame, Dominguez also said yes. Pramaggiore was in the courtroom. Her attorney announced the day before that she would give her testimony today, but attorneys spent most of the day taking their turns to question Dominguez. Now, court is still in session, and if convicted, she could face up to years behind bars. At the Dirksen Federal Building, Andrea Medina, WGN News.
All right, Andrea, thank you.